Assalamualaikum and very good day. Today our group will present about P2 planning. Our team members is me, Mifzal Rostam, Aidil Nizam and Uwais. P2 is consists of determine schedule, determine budgets, determine resources, determine risk and determine staffing.
Alright, in this project, we also going to do the scheduling resources and costs. So for your information, our project produced a smart tracker and enter the production line. The number of workers that we hire for this project is 12 people, and the total duration of the project is 1 month, which is equal to 30 days. This project is a resource constrained project. Alright, so now we are going to the budget part of our product, which is the smart tracker. So to produce this smart tracker, we have four phases that we are going through, which is the first phase is the initiating phase, second one is planning phase, the third one is the executing phase, and the last one is the closing phase. So I also insert the amount of cost that we have to pay in each phase. So the first one, we go to the initiating phase. So in the initiating phase, we have to develop business case, we have the market research, and then we have the survey customer preference, and the last one, we have the analyze survey. So each one of the things under the initiating phase only cost RM0. So the next one is the planning phase. So in this phase, we have to develop project management plan, and then we have to select the smart tech design. So both of these things that we have to do only cost RM0. So the total on planning phase is RM0. And then we have the executing phase. In the executing phase, we have to purchase the smart tech, we have to modify the smart tech, and then the last one is we have to test the smart tech. So the amount of money that we need to, the cost for purchasing smart tech is only RM226.93, and then the price to modify the smart tech, we put RM100, and then RM0 for testing the smart tech. So the total money we have to spend in executing phase is RM326.93. And then for the last one, the last part is the closing phase. So the last one is the closing phase. So in this closing phase, we have the documentation, we also have the perform quality assurance, we have the marketing strategy and the way to develop marketing strategy. So for the documentation, we only spend RM0. For the perform quality assurance, we also spend RM0. And then for the marketing strategy, we spend RM100 for marketing. And then for the developing of marketing strategy, we put RM20 for the develop of marketing strategy.
Alright, this is the time phase work package budget resources for material costs. For work package description is electrical shop. Work package ID is 1.1 and deliverable is DWB. Responsible organization unit is technical. Work package duration is 1 week. So the work package is A and the resources is supplier. So for DWB, we take week one for is the period for completing this work. So for total budget for this work is RM14 and 40 cents. Alright, time phase for package budget resources, material cost. And for this slide, work package description is electrical shop. Work package ID is 1.2. Actually, we get the package ID is from WBS. So for deliverable, this is the integrated circuit. Responsible organization unit is technical. Work package duration is 1 week. So the work package is H. Uh, the resources integrated circuit is M62447SP chip inline, and we done this project for week 3. And for printed circuit board, the package ID is 1.3. The responsible organization unit is technical. Work package duration is 1 week. So for work package is A, and the resources we got printed circuit board is from Arduino Uno R3, and the total resource cost is 182 ringgit 97 cents, and we done it for 1 week. And the time phase work package budget resources battery cost for CPU work package description. The deliverable is battery rechargeable. The work package ID is 2.1. The responsible organization unit is technical also. Work package duration is 1 week. So the work package is F. The name, the resources is CR2032 rechargeable Maxell from Japan, and the work periods is at week 2. So for the work package description CPU, the second one, the material cost, the work package is 2.2. The deliverable is IO controller. The responsible organization unit also the same. Work package duration is 1 week. So for this work, the work package is T, where software development develop this project, and the resources is supplier. The total resource cost is 116 ringgit 70 cents, and the work periods is 2 weeks at week 1 and week 2. Alright, the time phase work package budget resources material cost. The work package description is hardware. The work package is 3.1. The deliverable is carbon fiber. Responsible organization unit is quality, because the quality check tester will uh, conduct or will assign or manage this project. So for the work package duration is 2 weeks, where it will be done from week 1 or and week 2. For the work package is E, build and test hardware, and the resources is supplier from USA. And the total resource cost is 410 ringgit per kilogram. The time phase work package budget resources, material cost for work package description is battery charging port. The work package ID is 4.1.1. The deliverable is light emitter diode LED. The responsible organization unit is technical. The work package duration is 1 week, and the work package is H, where integrated system, and the resource is supplier, and the total resource cost is just 1 ringgit. And the last one, time phase work package budget resources for labor cost is the work package description is battery charging port, and the work package ID is 4.1.2. So for deliverable is circuits. The responsible organization unit is technical. The work package duration is 1 week, And the work package is also the same, where the work package is H, integrated system, and the name of the resource is supplier, which is Arduino, and the total resource cost is RM5 in the week 3. So for the total project cost is RM789.22, where exceeded time the budget. The total duration is 1 month, 30 days. All right. So this is the risk breakdown structure. So for the first part is technical, where the electrical part is could be damaged due to weather, customer harsh use. So the weather is like rain uh, and so on. And for the external part of smart tracker might be damaged because of shock and its caused from customer behavior while using this product. Sometimes customer forget to bring it uh, nicely, and sometimes you sudden drop from the pocket and something else. And for the project management, uh, for project management for this smart tracker is the risk breakdown is we exceeded the estimation cost where the initial target is below RM200. So the total cost for this smart tracker to be produced is RM789.22. And for the last part of risk breakdown structure is in terms of security. Smart tracker abuse will easily occur if our customer did not use it on the right purpose. Criminal case chances to occur and caused by this smart tracker. Uh, that's why we take this risk to produce smart tracker.
Okay, now we are moved to the last part, which is the staffing part. So as I said before, the total workers that we hired is 12 people. So we have the four branch for the staffing. The first one is the project director, second one is design, the third one is testing, and the last one is the closing. So for the project director, we have the market research and assign team. So for market research, we assign one project manager. For the assigned team, we have two project manager. And then for the design, we have three designing, which is design hardware, software development, and the prepare of a prototype. So for design hardware team, we assign one project manager. For preparation of a prototype, we hire one project manager. And then for the software development, we also hire one project manager. So we move to the testing part. So under the testing part, we have two branch, which is build and test hardware and test software. So for build and test hardware team, we assign two project managers, and for the test software, we assign one project manager. And then for the closing part, we have two branch, which is integrated systems and the manufacturing and marketing. So for the integrated system, we assign one project manager to integrate all the system. And then for the manufacturing and marketing, we assign two project manager to handle the manufacturing and the marketing of our project, of our product. Okay, so this is the table on how we allocate the project manager according to their task. So as I said before, we have the 1 month time to be spent for produce our product. So as you can see on the x-axis, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is the week of a month. 1 month we have 4 weeks. So for the first week, I put the market research assign team and design hardware uh, project manager to handle their task. And then for the first and second week, we have the software development project manager to handle their task. And then for the second week, we have build and test hardware, prepare a prototype, and test software team to handle their task and to complete it. And then for the third week, we have the integrated system project manager to handle their task and to complete the task. And then for the last week, we have the manufacturing and marketing team uh, to handle the task given.